Let me give you a close-up look at this Hasense ceramic spoon rest here. So first off, let me thank the company for sending this out to me to try out. So as you can see, this is a really nice spoon rest. You can put on your counter, it looks really nice. It fits all types of utensils. You can put spoons, spatulas, whisks, chopsticks, etc., whatever you need. You put on here while you're cooking to keep your counter clean, and then this will hold all the dirty food and stuff to keep your counters nice and clean. So this is the navy color. There are lots of other colors you can pick from as well. So you can see this really beautiful design on it. You can see the edges kind of black and has a different color blue. Super nice. Has nice weight to it. It's really nice ceramic material. It is lead free. It can be hand washed or dishwasher washed. So very versatile, looks really nice on your countertop. A super useful item to have while you're cooking to keep your kitchen nice and clean. So if you are looking for a really nice spoon rest, be sure to give this one a try.